So the way that I make this part go faster is instead of glazing one whole pane, I'll glaze the same side on each side and then turn and then turn and then turn, and it goes a lot faster. I'll show you how this goes now in a little accelerated speed. Now that all the glazing is in the glass, now we're gonna go back through and use what's called whiting powder. And I just put a little bit on each pane. This will help clean up all the fingerprints I just made, and also just give it a nice start to setting the glaze. I just use an old paintbrush, nice stiff brush. Try not to get it on the actual glazing. You can see my fingerprints starts to soak up the oil from my fingerprints. And if you marked your panes with a permanent marker, this will also take permanent marker off. So just go through this. You can see it, and it cleans up the window nice and clean. And I'll set the sash aside and let it dry for 3 days. And we'll come back and paint it.